Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mozilla Hubs. Mozilla Hubs is an open-source, browser-based platform for creating and experiencing virtual three-dimensional spaces. You can easily access it on many devices, including VR headsets, desktop computers, and mobile phones. The best part is, you don't need to download any software or even create an account just to jump into a room and start exploring. It's designed for easy, immediate access. Once inside a Hubs room, navigating is straightforward. On a computer, use the W, A, S, D keys or arrow keys to move your avatar. To look around, simply click and drag your mouse. For faster movement, hold the right mouse button to teleport to a new spot. You can also type /fly in the chat to activate fly mode, allowing you to move freely through the air. To create your own virtual space, simply go to the Mozilla Hubs website and click Create a Room. You can then customize it using Spoke, the platform's online three-dimensional scene editor. Spoke allows you to import various assets like three-dimensional models, images, videos, and audio files. Remember to pin any objects you want to keep in the room permanently, especially if you are not logged in, as unpinned items disappear when you exit. Collaboration in Hubs is dynamic and engaging. You can communicate with other participants using integrated voice chat and a text chat feature. Easily share your screen, camera, or embed web content like videos and images directly into the virtual space. Each room is designed for up to 25 in-room participants to ensure smooth performance. To invite others, simply share the unique room URL or generate a special invite link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.